Hello to everyone. My name is Sandeep. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology of MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. So, we'll discuss today about that remaining operators. That is, in last discussion, we discussed about what is an operators and what is an arithmetic operators. Now we'll discuss comparison operator and assignment operators. So, just revising purpose, what is an operator means? Operator is a special symbol which is used to perform operations on the values or on the variables. So, whenever we are going to perform an operation on the variables, that variables we can call it as operands. We can call it as operands. So, we have different types of we have different types of operators in Python. So among that one we completed the discussion about what? Arithmetic operators, and now we are discussing about comparison operators. So what is this comparison operators? This comparison operators is also known as relational operators. Is also known as what? Relational operators. Now these relational operators in Python are used to compare values of two operands. What is the purpose of these relational operators, or we can say comparison operators? It is comparing the values of two operands. Comparing the values of two operands. By comparing the two values and get the result in the Boolean type. So for the Boolean type, we have the two values, that is either true or false. True or false. For example, here see x equals to 10 and y equals to 20. Now, if you want to compare, for example, there is an operator, one is greater than operator and less than operator, greater than or equals to operator, less than or equals to operator, equal to operator. See, this is what? Double equal. Actually, so single equal, like that one we had means assignment operator, and here whenever we have this type of symbol, then we can say it is what? Equal to operator. So this is what? Assignment operator, and this is what? Equal to operator. Anyway, and then not equals to operator. So now see, for example, x equals to 10, y equals to 20. Now the first operator, that is greater than operator. Now x greater than y. That is 10 is greater than 20. Means now the left operand, if the left operand is greater than the right operand, if the left operand is greater than the right operand, then it returns what? True. Otherwise, it returns what? False. Otherwise, it returns what? False. So, like that one, that operators will compare the two operands. Here in Python programming language, the true and false values started with capital letter, but in C or Java programming language it will start with what? Like that one, so small letters only. So that is the one important note about that Python Boolean type. Anyway, now see, next operator is what? Less than. So x equals to 10 and y equals to 20. Now x less than y, that means 10 less than 20. Now what is means? If the left operand is less than 20, if the left operand is less than right operand, then it means it returns what? True. If left operand is not less than right operand, then it returns what? False. So it returns either true or false. So here the comparison operators returns what type of values means? Boolean type values. So what are the Boolean type values? That is true and false. If the operand, if the left operand is greater than the right, here if the left operand is less than the right operand, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. That is the thing. Next, what we have? Greater than or equals to. Now see, x equals to 10 and y equals to 20. X equals to 10 and y equals to 20. Or we can say x equals to 20, y equals to 10. Now, if x greater than or equals to y, that means what? 20 greater than or equals to 10. Now, if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand, that means here we are going to check two things. What is that one? If the left operand is either greater or equal, either one of that becomes true means then the result will be true. Otherwise, the result will be false. So that is about what? Greater than or equal to. Now here what the result? It returns true. It returns true. Why? Because of it is the 20 is greater than the 10. Maybe it is not equal, but what is here says, if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand, either one of the thing is true, then it returns the total result returns true. That is one thing. Next, less than or equals to. Now, x equals to 10, y equals to 20. Now, x less than or equals to y, that is 10 less than or equals to 20. Now, what it result means, if the left operand is less than the y operand, that is right operand. Now, what it returns? True. Otherwise, it returns false. So, here what is the result? Because of 10 is less than the 20. 10 is less than the 20. That's why it returns what? True. And next we have the equal symbol and not equal to symbol. So, we will see through an example. Right? Now see. So, x equals to 10, y equals to 20. Now, print x is greater than y. Okay, x is greater than y. So, what it returns? X is greater than y means, so 10 is greater than 20. So, is it true or false? Means it returns what? False. Because of 10 is less than y. Okay. Now, anyway, that is the next operator. X is less than y. Now, what is the result we will get? Now, we will get the result. What? True. Right? Next. Which operand we have? X is greater than or equals to y. X is greater than or equals to y. So, 10 is greater or equal to 20? No. Either of the two things is not true. So, that's why the total result returns what? False. The total result returns what? False. Next. Print x less than or equals to y. X less than or equals to y. Now see, it returns what? True. It returns true. Next, print x equals to y. X equals to y. 10 equals 20? No, it returns false. Now see, we will get what? What is that one? Result is false. Next, print x not equals to y. Yes, 10 is not equals to 20. Yes, the condition that is true. Now see, I save this program. It returns what? True. Because of 10 and 20 is not equal. So that's why it returns what? True. So this is about what? Python comparison operators, or we can say relational operators. Or we can say what? Relational operators. So that relational operator returns what values, or which values means Boolean type values. Right? So this is about what? Relational operators, or we can say comparison operators. Next, we have that another type of that operators. Right? That is assignment operators. That is what? Assignment operators. So here what is that assignment operators? First, how can we represent a symbol for the assignment operator is equal symbol. How can we represent an assignment operator is equal symbol? So assignment operators in Python assign values to the variables. For example, now there is a value that is 20. Now this value has to be assigned to an variable or has to be stored into an variable. At that time, use the assignment operator and then variable. That means you have to read from right side. The 20 value is assigned to the variable x. The 20 value assigned to the variable x. So this is the assignment operators. That means the right side value assigned to the left operand. The right side value assigned to the left operand. So that is what assignment operators. Anyway, we have the different types of operators we seen here. That is addition assignment operator. For example, x equals to 1. Now x addition assignment operator 1. Okay, addition operator 1. So what we can say means, for this statement, for example, x addition assignment operator. Now how can we write this statement means x equals to x plus 1. That means add left operand and right operand and assign the value to the left operand only. And assign the value to the left operand only. That means adding the left operand and right operand. And the result has to be assigned again to the x only. That is left operand only. This is the addition assignment operator. Okay. For example, next what we have, that subtract assignment operator. So x minus, that is subtraction operator, assignment operator, and then 1. How we can write this statement means x equals to x minus 1. X equals to x minus 1. So this is what subtraction assignment operator. That means subtract the left operand and right operand and I assign the result to the left operand only. So this is the subtract assignment operator. Next, multiply assignment operator. So x multiplication assignment operator and then value. That means how can we write this statement? X equals to x into 2. That means left operand and right operand has to be perform multiplication operator and result assigned to the left operand only. So this is what multiplication assignment operator. Like that one, we have the division assignment operator, modulus assignment operator, floor division assignment operator, exponent assignment operator. Okay. Now we will see an example. X equals to, for example, directly I will write print first assignment operator, x equals to 20. Now what happened here? The 20 value is assigned to the variable x. The 20 value is assigned to the variable x. Now see how it will be. Now the 20 value is stored in the x. If you print that x value, we will get the 20. Okay, right. Now see, next what we have, that operators, addition assignment operator. Now directly I will write x addition assignment operator and then 2. That is x equals to x plus 2. X equals to x plus 2. Now see, like that one, x equals to x plus 2. So what is the result? X value here is what? I will give that x value. For example, x value is 3. X value is 3. Now, or we can say 4. Now what is the thing we will get? 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is what? 6. And assign that 6 to which value, to which variable? X. Now see, I save this program and run this one. See, 6. Similarly, okay. Next, what we have? Subtraction assignment operator. So what we can write? X equals to x minus 2. Now see, what we'll get? 2. That is 4 minus 2. And again that result has to be assigned to the variable x. Next, x multiplication assignment operator 2. So how can we write x equals to x into 2? That is 4 into 2 is what? 8. Now see, I save this program. Now once again I will run this program. 8. Okay. So that is the thing. Next, what we have? Division assignment operator. Division assignment operator. Now how can we write x equals to x division and then 2, right? Now what will be happen? 4 by 2. So what we will get? Coefficient. We have to return that division operator returns what? Coefficient. So 4 by 2 is what? The coefficient is 2. But here the result in which type we will get? 2.0, and the 2.0 will be assigned to x value only. That's why we print, whenever we print the x value or x variable, we will get what? 2.0. Next, x floor division assignment operator. So how can we write this one? X equals to x floor division operator and then 2. Now see what we will get. We will get what? Integer type result. Integer type result. So that is the differences as we discussed in the arithmetic operators, right? Next, which operator we have? Modulus assignment operator. How can we write? X equals to x modulus 2. Now see, right? 0, because of the remainder is what? 0, right? Next, fine, that is exponent operator. So x exponent assignment 2. So how can we write? X equals to x assignment operator, that is exponent operator and then 2. So 4 power 2. Okay, it return what will get? 4 square, that is 4 into 4, that is 16. So this is about what? Addition assignment operators, multiplication assignment operators, floor division assignment operator and exponent assignment operators. So this is what? Assignment operators. Okay. Next we have the logical operators. Next we have what? Logical operators. So logical operators are used to combine two conditional statements. It is very important which in the control statements, because of in control statements we have to check some conditions to print the statements. So at that time these operators will be helpful to change the flow of execution or to control the program execution. Anyway, here see logical operators in Python. That logical operators are used to combine two conditional statements. Anyway, here 3 types of logical operators are there: AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. Whenever we are going to perform A and B, for example, AND operator we are performing. Okay, AND operator we are performing. What it will be means, returns true if both operands are true. Returns true if both operands are true. For example, A is true and B is true. Then it returns what? True. If A is true and B is false, then it returns what? False. So that is the AND operation result. It returns true if both operands are true means. If either one of the operand is false, then it returns false only. Okay, let me see an example. Okay, so A equals to true, B equals to true. Right, now print A and B. Print A and B. Now we'll see, if both operands true means then AND operator returns what? True. For example, if either of one value return that is false, then AND operator returns false only. right? Sorry, its spelling is wrong. False. Okay, now see what it returns, what? False. Okay, next, what is the operator we have? Next operator here is logical OR operator. Logical OR operator. So what is the logical OR operator returns? Means if either one of the operand is true, that means, sorry, now see, A equals to true and B equals to false. A equals to true and B equals to false. Now either one of the operand is true, then the result or the operator, the logical operator results what? True. If A is false and B is false, then it returns what? False. Okay, now see, for example, you can take this example only, but just changing that R. Okay, now see, it returns true. Either one of the operand having the true value, then it returns what? True. And now, for example, both are true. Now what will be happen in this case? If both are true means it is also true. There is no problem. But both are false means, see, F is the capital letter, right? Next here also A equals to false. If both are false means, both operands are false means, then what will be happen? It returns what? False only. Next, which operator we have? Logical NOT operator. If the operand value is true, then it returns false. If the operand value false, then it returns true, just opposite of that operand value. So let me see through an example. See, A equals to true. Now print. Okay, see, for example, here we have that what operators? Not logical NOT operator. We have to consider what? Logical NOT, right? Now see, not A, not A. Now see, false, just opposite value, right? Opposite value of the operand. So this is about what? Logical operators, right? Next, so finally, anyway, here see, remember that we have that this symbol represent assignment operator, whereas this symbol represents comparison operator, as we seen. So coming to this one, precedency of Python, that is comparison operators. All relational operators having lower precedency than Python arithmetic operators, and all relative operators have the same precedency level, that is same priority level. Next, Python assignment operators are used for what purpose? Simply to assign the values, right? So this is about what? Python operators, which we are discussing different types of Python operators. In next topic, we will discuss that other operators in Python. Thank you.